Let's go knight f3, keep it simple. What am I drinking? I'm drinking my coffee because I feel very low on energy. Who's getting paid 80K? All the Indians are getting 80K from the Chess Federation to prepare for the event. Vita Gujarati, Pragnanatha, and Vaishali, because they're in the men's and the women's candidates respectively. The Indian Chess Federation is giving each of them 80 grand to prepare for the event. Pretty amazing. I'll play G3 and Bishop B2 maybe. Are we gonna get we're gonna get the same position that Sina Mobahad and I had earlier. Ah, we aren't. Okay, so he plays E6, so we get the double fianchetto here. Castle play E3. I'm gonna go like Queen E2, Rook D1, just like I did before. Seemed to work very well in the previous title Tuesday, so why not do it again? Take. I lost this position, by the way, to. Wait a second. Did I miss? I don't understand Bishop B4. I'm a little confused. What is going on in this game? I'm really confused. Wait a second. Oh. Wait, I'm really confused. What the heck is this? Might I go here? Don't I have Bishop F6 or am I drunk or something? Isn't this just free material? This looks like free material. Okay, I just take, and now I just have two juicers for the tower. Probably I'm not drunk. Why is someone... What's that? TwitchCon hype? Why is there an extra Emily emote in my chat? That's very weird. Just go D3. Go H4. Play H5. I'm gonna go like Queen E2 and Knight E4 probably. Let's go here. Okay, you guys. Okay. Enough. Come on, chill. Come on, enough. Come on. Take a deep breath. Okay, oh my god, okay. I'm trying to play a chess tournament here and I'm having to... Okay, whatever. Let's go Knight F3. I'm probably gonna blunder this game now. Let's go here, I guess. Jesus. I don't even know what I'm actually doing in this game. I just feel like I'm just like... I go Queen F3 to trade the queens. Let's go... What am I doing? There's got to be a way to win this. Again, I'm using like all this time to mess it up. Let's go A5 and Knight B3. Why did I do this too? What am I even doing? I'm suddenly like... I'm actually trying to throw this game. Okay, thank you guys, thank you. Enough. enough. Don't make me lose my mind. I mean, I've got 9 more games to play. You guys are trying to make me like just completely lose my mind. Go here. Go like... Oh, now I've got D4. No, I've got Knight E4 also. Knight E4 and just Queen C5. Go after the pawns. Now I think I have D4 to hit the queen. I also have just Queen A5, but I think D4 makes a lot of sense to hit the queen. I take, I hit the rook. Still very tricky to play. I think I'm gonna go Rook A2 to guard the queen. Now I threaten to take the pawn. And I think I'm just winning here. Yeah, he just blunders. Now I get check. And I fork the king and the rook. Still not easy to win this, or no, it should be. I just go here and guard everything. Should be pretty easy. Yeah, this is just winning. Okay, I think I'm going to reroute the knight to f4. Just create a bastion. Or go c5. This is also more than enough. Now I go here and rook b5. Wait, what the heck? Still not easy to win. What the fridge? Huh? Am I stupid or something? Wait, let's go here. King c3 takes me. This should be winning. King h5 or something? What the fridge? Okay, I just gotta move. I'm too slow. I just gotta move. What am I doing? Okay, but now he just blunders so I can go here. And I tricked him. Yeah, all these emotes are starting to make me go insano in the membrano. Let's take. Go check. Let's go here. Let's block the bishop, and now it should be very easy to win. Let's go here. What am I doing, though? Again, like... Okay, now it's just winning. My technique today is, or at least here in this evening class, has not been particularly good. Let's put it that way. There's no move for the rook. Okay, now I go here. There's always a square for the king as well. Oh, I had mate in one with rook h8. I'd mate in one with rook h8. I missed it, but it's still one. Thank you to